In Ireland, the medical and the aerospace sectors are key to Seco. We're going to be talking to Premier Machine Tools, why they partner them in Ireland. Premier Machine Tools have had a fantastic relationship with Seco in the UK for many years. Now, you guys represent Ireland. Can you tell me a little bit about the relationship you have with them?
Yeah, as you said, we've had a good relationship with Seco for almost 20 years now, and we obviously, the reason why we work so well with them is that they tend to work in a similar way that we do, in that we like to provide a full solution to our customers. They are very strong in the medical and aerospace segments, which obviously is a key backbone of the Irish economy.
Now, I've travelled around Ireland a number of times, and obviously when you're talking about the medical sector and aerospace, I'm sure you're not selling a standard product. I'm sure it's very much turnkey, isn't it?
It can be, yes. That is something that we do look at, and obviously it's becoming more and more a request from us. A lot of the customers can't afford to have downtime on the shop floor, so we do get asked from time to time that we can, we basically do prove outs and turnkey packages off site, and we do them a lot of the times at our own facility up in Kildare, which is just outside Dublin, and with full application support and everything else, so that we can literally just drop the machine into the customer's shop floor with a minimal amount of downtime.
And when you look at the facility that you've actually got here, Phil, I presume you can sort of tap into this as well for a bespoke project.
Oh, we can do, yeah, and that's, that's where, the support that we get from Seco is excellent on that. They have their own representative there, a local guy who's based in Ireland, and obviously if needs be, we get support from UK also. We can call upon their global support as well, which is why we like to work very closely with Seco. We see that sort of collaboration working very well together, as we have the similar kind of business ethos based around that. So.
And I suppose another benefit is the portfolio of different solutions, tooling solutions that Seco offer, and that must be a great benefit for Premier Machine Tools.
It is, yeah. As I mentioned, their sort of key segments sort of aligns very well with our market, in that they see themselves very strong in the aerospace and the medical market, and as I mentioned, that's where we see ourselves as well from our customer base. So any new developments that are coming along tend to be driven around those kind of materials which are used in the aerospace and medical segments. So we a lot of the time tend to be used as a test bed for any new developments which come along, which is obviously very beneficial for us and also beneficial for our customers.